Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager, Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. I want to take a minute and show you a custom inverter install on a 200 series Land Cruiser. What we have here is a Samlax PST 1012 pure sine inverter. It's mounted to the side, to the right drawer, on a piece of plywood wrapped in automotive grade carpet. As you can see, the wires ran through loom going to the front plug in the back. Our second plug is right here on the side of the drawer box. We're using a Hell Marine push switch to enable the inverter. And then one of your AC plugs is right there. Our second AC plug is inside the vehicle. Right there on the back of the center console. And of course, all the wires are ran underneath the carpet, not the vehicle. Makes for a nice clean install. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out at 317-385-9572.